I'm Tasha.
And I'm Emily.
Welcome to the first episode of Pinbuster,
where we make the mistakes so you don't have to. Today, in honor of 4th of July, we're going to be making some red, white, and blue Jello shots, so stay tuned for that.
Woo woo! Drink up!
Hey, don't let my hair on fire!
Hey, so today we're going to be making some 4th of July Jello shots. For this, we have Tito's handmade vodka, some condensed milk, some unflavored gelatin, some berry blue flavored gelatin, strawberry Jello, and then maraschino cherries. We'll also be using water.
Heat 1 cup of water, add blue Jello mix, stir until dissolved. Add 1 cup vodka, stir. Note the recipe is pretty strong, so this is perfect. So we'll do 1 cup water and 1 cup vodka. Okay, so let's put 3 cups of vodka in these. So you want to fill it up 1/3 of the way, because there's 3 colors. And
Thank you. I know math isn't my strong suit.
so it says
A teaspoon.
1.5 teaspoons of the powder. One and a half tablespoons of water.
Can we just look at this right now? Can you like see that? It's really gross. So we're heating this up on the stove. Burnt. Oh, it smells like when you burn grilled cheese.
This did not turn out so.
No. Have they seen it? No, they haven't. That's what that looks like. That is stuff.
We have 3 options to proceed. We could either just go along and use this. Option number 2 is we could just do 1 layer of red, 1 layer of blue, and just skip the white. Option number 3 is we could use a different ingredient, which would be milk and sugar and vanilla extract. Out of those 3 options, what do you guys want to proceed with?
I guess the milk.
Yeah, let's just try the milk. Okay. Has been boiled and sat for 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pour the gelatin in here and see what this gets us. Then we add the vodka. How these jellos are doing in here. Yep, pretty liquid.
What?
It says let them set for 1 to 2 hours.
This is a lot of work.
This is a lot of work. We got our 12 cups of red Jello, and you'll see that they're pretty. They were in there.
Gelatinous. I don't know.
Oh, like this. And
I
she
got
was afraid
nervous.
how they were gonna like.
Isn't that a test they do in like that ice cream place?
DQ.
Yeah, to see
Yeah.
like if your milkshake's thick
If
enough.
they don't do it, they have to give you one for free.
Wow.
What? I don't go to DQ enough for that.
So these are in there for like what? An hour probably, and they are solid now.
Yep. So now we're gonna add the white layer, which is gonna be a little bit difficult because we wanna make sure we don't break through the gelatin layer.
So now we're gonna top off our Jello shots with some, what, berry blue Jello.
Don't listen.
Do not this up. Ladies, so these aren't quite Jello shots. They're like
No, these are
Jello treats.
it's a shot and a half.
Jello
I'm a little bit
shot
nervous about
treats.
this white layer.
I know, me too.
Aren't we all? Yeah, buddy.
It's really alcohol-y.
Yeah,
Hell
it's
yeah.
truthful.
That is truthful. It's so
I probably wouldn't like sit here and eat this whole thing, you
But I
know?
kind of feel like I have to because I don't want to.
I mean, we have to. We're on camera now.
I just taste alcohol. I don't taste Jello at all.
Good for us.
I'm gonna drive home after this.
Yes. I mean, no.
Anyway, bon appetit, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers. Chink.
Monica, chink me.
Oh, sorry.
Chink me, Monica. Chink me. Yay! Woo! 4th of July.
It was like stuck.
That one blew me.
Did we mix that up at all?
No.